So guys, this is what we're having for dinner tonight. Welcome to our channel. Tonight we're gonna be having some garlic fried chicken wings. We're gonna be having stuffed, deep fried eggplant stuffed with our marinated Cantonese pork mince. And we also gonna stuff that mince into these bitter gourd. I'm not a fan of them, but hey, these will be pan fried. Okay, as you can see here, we're putting in some cornstarch so that the meat can stick to the eggplant. And then afterwards we'll deep fry this, and then it'll be ready for dinner. Can't wait to eat this, guys. Okay, after you put in that powder, you can stuff in that mince. Very easy, guys, very easy to make. Cut it like this, stuff in the mince, and then we'll show you how to deep fry this later on. Yummy, look at that. Okay, here we're stuffing some of that mince into this bitter gourd, guys. As you can see, you can use any vegetables and stuffed meat, I think, and then it'll even taste good. Yummy, look at that. Okay guys, we're gonna be making the batter. But yeah, I asked my mom what kind of flour she's using. She's using some white brown flour.
Cake flour.
No. White bread flour over here. So you're just gonna put enough flour onto a bowl, and then then you will know like we're gonna be deep frying the chicken wings there. But we also gonna be making some eggplant.
Half teaspoon of flour.
Okay, so you're gonna put that bread flour there, and then we're also gonna put some bicarbonate soda. Okay, we're also gonna put half a teaspoon of baking powder. Half a teaspoon of baking powder. Okay, we're gonna put half a teaspoon of about 2 teaspoons of white vinegar.
Yeah.
Look at that bubble up when it hits that bicarbonate soda. White vinegar and bicarbonate soda, you can see it bubbling up. And then also half a teaspoon of salt. And then we're also gonna add 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. Yep, that's what we need. Okay. Now for water, you're just gonna get a bowl with some water and add in slowly to make like a thick batter. So you must just check on how much flour you have added. Then you just keep on adding water until you want the thick consistency. So when you dip the chicken inside, the batter will stick onto the chicken. So that's what you're looking for. You see this, making a thick batter. Okay, I just gave my mom a whisk, so it's easier. Check that out. All you have to do is whisk that up. Use that whisk to feel the thickness of the batter. You also have to drizzle some oil. You want a thick batter, guys, a thick batter to coat the meat. Okay guys, now as you can see, we have heated up the oil. We just dipped a few a few drops of batter into the
嗰
oil
個熱少少，我所以加多兩
just
羹
to
生
check
粉喺算。
the temperature of the oil. We don't want to deep fry the chicken and it turns
咁
dark
嗰個
very
呢
quick.
個加啲生粉和麵粉。生粉咧就因為稀咗少少。
Okay, guys,
可以
so
加麵粉。
if you like added too much water and it becomes too watery, you can always just add you can always still add bread flour or cornstarch to it, just to thicken it up.
放咗差唔多有一碗水咁滯啊，有一碗仔啊，一碗仔水咁滯。
Okay, guys, we're deep frying the eggplant with that mince inside, guys. This is a Canto delicacy, guys. This we eat a lot. Very delicious. Very delicious after you deep fry it. Yummy.
要陣間拖少少菜先，川貝肉冇菜呢
Look at that. Deep fry until it's crispy golden color. Check that out, guys. Check that out. Yummy. Until it's golden crispy, then it's ready. Then it's time to eat this for dinner.
要分兩片，一陣間差唔多要翻炸一炸咁。
That out, guys. We still have more to deep fry. Afterward, we're gonna refry this. Okay, we're deep frying the second batch. Yummy. Check at that. And the other ones are here. Yummy. Check that out. One more to go. Alright. Let's wait for this to get crispy golden, guys. Crispy golden. Hey guys, check at that. It's turning golden crispy. Yummy. Look at that delicious
一
color.
批太多，所以啲又唔夠味。
Nice. Okay, it's ready. We just gotta deep fry these ones now.
要夠火喎，要炸到佢金黃色先係夠火。
Wow. Can't wait to eat these, guys. Can't wait to eat these for dinner. Oh yeah. Check that out. Look how beautiful that is. Oh wow. Yummy. Guys, if you like watching our videos, please give this video a like, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. Comment if you don't understand anything. I'll be happy to ask my mother to tell you guys more information. Look at that. Wow, 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 wow. So beautiful. Wow. They are ready, guys. They are ready. Oh yes. Nice.
餐飯炸佢炸到佢金黃色，咁先係夠火爐喎。
Oh yes, they are ready. They are ready. We're gonna be eating this soon. Yummy. As you can see, guys, in my video, you just need to cut the benjo, stuff your favorite minced meat, and then make the batter, deep fry, and yummos. Very easy to make, guys. Very easy. Enjoy this with some deep fried chips, deep fried fish, anything you like, guys. We all know deep fried foods are so delicious. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Nice. Let's just throw this here to cool down. Alright guys, these eggplants are ready. We're just plating it and voila, look at that deliciousness. Oh yeah. Yummy. Can't wait to eat these, guys. Hi guys, welcome to my first mukbang video. Tonight we got some delicious deep fried garlic fried chicken here, and we got some deep fried minced pork eggplant here. Guys, if you like my first mukbang video, please give this video a thumbs up